Hello, everyone. This is Jessica from Milesight Marketing Team, and welcome to the Milesight Comprehensive Product Line Application course. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us. In the previous courses, we focused on LoRaWAN nodes that can be used in smart buildings, cities, and agricultural applications. Today, we'll move from LoRaWAN sensors to gateways and their management. In the second session, we'll take a look at some of the standout features of Milesight's LoRaWAN gateways, along with a few real-world success stories. After that, we'll move on to the management software that ties everything together. You see, Milesight isn't just about making great hardware, we're an end-to-end solution provider. That means we also develop software and platforms designed to make installation and management much easier for our customers. Let's get started. Currently, we have more than over 100 products. Our offerings include sensing nodes, connection devices, and various additional tools and platforms. Our sensing nodes are designed to gather accurate data from the environment. Most of the nodes support LoRaWAN protocol, and a few of them also supports some other communication protocols, such as 4G Cat1, Wi-Fi Halo, NB-IoT, and LTE-M. Milesight controllers are designed to offer seamless integration with the legacy or traditional sensors. And the weather stations are commonly deployed in smart city and agriculture applications or solar power plants, where accurate weather data is essential. To facilitate seamless connectivity, we provide a range of connection devices that enable efficient communication between devices and networks. These devices play a crucial role in establishing secure and robust connections, such as the LoRaWAN gateways, cellular routers, and switches. Recognizing the potential of 5G technology, Milesight has developed 5G suites that leverage the power of this advanced network infrastructure. These suites enable high-speed data transfer, low latency, and enhanced reliability, unlocking new possibilities for IoT deployments. In addition to our broad product range, we offer extra software platforms tailored to cater to the diverse needs of our customers. Okay, in addition to the various series of sensing products, Milesight provides plenty of stable and high-performance gateways for building a LoRaWAN network. The LoRa gateway market is strong, and we expect a continued growth. The investigation by Coherent Market Insights was generally confident that the market will reach a value of $12.3 billion by 2032, at a CAGR of 31% during the forecast period. Something I wanted to highlight from this report is that we're noticing increased demand by people in standard LoRa gateway, as well as the witnessing increasing popularity in solar-powered LoRa gateway. We're seeing more and more vendors getting in on the action with commercial solar-powered LoRaWAN gateways. But this trend by the market is largely due to the fact that the solar gateway become much easier to set up. It's more performance while being more affordable. That's why we came out with the Milesight SG50 gateway, to stay ahead of the curve and give our customers what they're looking for. You may wonder how to choose the most suitable LoRaWAN gateway. In the market, you can either find lower than $100 gateway or even more than thousands dollars gateways according to the functionality. Milesight has identified that certain parts of customers in our segment, middle to high end, demand more cost-optimized gateways. With that in mind, these 5 standard LoRaWAN gateways all use the Semtech SX1302 chips, which have optimized designs for lower power consumption. In addition, they can meet the different LoRa frequencies in different regions. The Milesight UG63. This is a mini gateway, and it offers deep coverage in difficult-to-reach areas, deep into the buildings and blind areas in super big warehouses. This is an interior-only product, can't be used on the outside. With optional 4G LTE, UG63 Mini brings a wireless communication, simplifying the network setup process. Moreover, It also supports Ethernet for data forwarding, and its latest firmware has also supported an inbuilt network server to report gateway information through MQTT. And Unit UG56 is designed to be applied to industrial indoor environments. From the structure, it's a mini-sized device with an extensible external magnetic LoRa antenna, so you can put it into any limited spaces or boxes and keep the signal coverage through the extensible antennas. The signal coverage can be wide to 6 floors up and down. You also have the option of a fiberglass antenna instead if you need a stronger signal gain for outdoor coverage. The UG65 is our workforce gateway. It has a built-in network server. The robust 8-channel gateway with IP65 enclosure is ideally suited to smart office, smart building, and semi-industrial scenarios. The UG67 has waterproof IP67 housing. This gateway is ideally suited for smart agriculture, smart metering, smart industry, or smart city, any outdoor projects. And the SG50 is solar-powered LoRaWAN gateways, as they are often deployed in areas where accessing electricity is difficult. It can support typical use for up to 4 days without sunlight, and it can only forward data via 4G cellular network, no Ethernet interface, no Wi-Fi backhaul. Finally, building automation systems based on traditional hardwired BACnet and Modbus protocols can be costly, difficult to extend, and inflexible when it comes to adding new functions. However, LoRaWAN technology provides a better way to manage functional spaces by enabling an extension of BACnet capabilities. Except the Mini UG63 and solar-powered SG50, all the other 3 standard LoRaWAN gateways, UG65, 67, and UG56, have been supporting BACnet to IP and Modbus protocols. While both the UG67 and SG50 are outdoor gateways, they have several common features. For example, they support large-scale remote deployment, help save manpower and resources in maintenance and deployment efforts, and are designed to withstand challenging outdoor environments with an IP67 protection rating. However, there are noticeable differences in their specific application scenarios. When it comes to maintenance, the SG50 can be installed outdoors, far from the control center, and powered by solar energy for minimal upkeep. It supports remote deployment and easy installation. On the other hand, UG67 can also be installed outdoors but requires regular maintenance. From the realm of installation, SG50 is ideal for locations with limited power supply, difficult access to electricity, and high power sensitivity due to its ultra-low power consumption, long battery life, and autonomous solar power supply design, while UG67 is suitable for areas with convenient power supply as it can be powered through Ethernet interface or M12 connector. From the usage of Wi-Fi, the SG50 gateway supports Wi-Fi access point for configuration purposes only. On the other hand, the UG67 gateway is capable of not only Wi-Fi configuration, but also data transmission over a 2.4 GHz network. When it comes to compatibility with the application server in power-sensitive scenarios where only packet forwarding functionality is needed without application layer development on the gateway itself, the SG50 is recommended. This is because the built-in network server is not included in SG50, resulting in further power savings. And the UG67 is well suited for scenarios that require a gateway solution with built-in network server capability. It caters to customers who prefer direct data transmission to their application platform through the gateway, or some customers who wish to perform secondary development using tools like Node-RED or Python on the device itself. This eliminates the need for additional third-party LoRaWAN network servers. Milesight LoRaWAN gateways offer a set of shared values that make them exceptional solutions for IoT applications. They are equipped with the high-quality Semtix X13O chips, ensuring efficient handling of higher traffic volumes while consuming less power. With an outstanding central processing unit, data processing is accelerated, enabling faster response times and improved performance. The gateways also feature deep penetration capabilities, providing extensive coverage in city environments and wider connectivity in direct line of sight. They support simultaneous data reception from up to 8 end devices and can connect with a maximum of 2,000 end nodes, facilitating efficient data management. Offering multiple backhaul connectivity such as Ethernet, cellular, and Wi-Fi, these gateways provide flexible options for encrypted data transmission. Additionally, they are highly compatible with built-in and third-party network servers, streamlining integration into existing infrastructures. Combining all these shared values, Milesight gateways deliver reliable, high performance, and versatile solutions for various IoT applications. In a cutting-edge pilot in meteorology, Milesight teamed up with Conda Weather Group and universities in West Africa to launch LoRaWAN-equipped weather balloons, reaching altitudes over 32,000 feet, around 10 kilometers. Each balloon carries a radii-zoned payload for measuring pressure, temperature, humidity, and GPS tracker. On the ground, Milesight UG67 outdoor gateways are working as the stations. 6 units located in the US, Nigeria, Ghana, and Cameroon, operating in US 915 and EU 868 frequency, capture the uplinked data via LoRa. And then the gateways forward the network packet to the Things network in Europe, where it is decoded. From there, data is sent to the customer server over MQTT protocol, where they control the flow of messages in Node-RED and finally place the data on a public blockchain. This system excels in transmitting reliable atmospheric data over long distances and high altitudes while operating on low power and at less than half the cost of traditional radio sondes. Let's talk about a real-world deployment in Granada, Spain, where internet connectivity is scarce and running cables or power lines just isn't practical. Across 6 rural villages, our partner teams Sphinx and S-Connect faced the challenge of collecting water usage data from hundreds of scattered water meters without traditional infrastructure. So, what's the solution? They used Milesight's SG50 LoRaWAN gateways, which are solar-powered and come with built-in batteries. These gateways collect data wirelessly from smart water meters through LoRa and send it directly to the cloud platform through 4G cellular network, giving operators full visibility into consumption trends. No wiring, no trenching, no hassle. From a technical perspective, the SG50 is ultra-low power, ideal for remote deployments. It's one of the few compact LoRaWAN gateways on the market with an integrated battery, which makes it perfect for off-grid use. Let's take a closer look at the power supply and consumption capabilities of this gateway. Here's how you can power it. You've got 3 options: solar or 12 to 24 volt DC through the M12 connector, or 3.6 volts, 25 ampere hour, 18650 batteries for long-term, off-grid use. That's what our partner chose in this case. Or a 5-watt, 2 ampere USB Type-C connection for fast configuration or temporary setups. The battery system is charged exclusively via the M12 power connector. And under typical operating conditions, such as 100 connected nodes reporting every 10 minutes, it can maintain performance for up to 4 days without sunlight. Power efficiency is also a highlight, with typical consumption at just 0.8 watts, making it ideal for remote or solar-powered deployments where energy budget is critical. The setup is modular, low cost, and fully autonomous, designed for scaling across large rural areas. In short, we turn 6 disconnected villages into a connected water intelligence network, all with LoRaWAN, solar energy, and zero reliance on grid power. In Abu Dhabi, the university teamed up with ADAB Group to turn their campus into a smart campus using Milesight's smart IoT solutions. Since the campus covers such a large area, they set up multiple gateways using the gateway fleet feature to maximize coverage while keeping costs down. The Milesight UG6 X series gateways can be configured in a multi-gateway setup, which means sensors can move seamlessly between different gateways. In this setup, one controller gateway acts as a network server for up to 4 agent gateways. The agent gateways simply forward all data packets to the controller gateway, making the whole system work smoothly. This is what the gateway fleet is all about. It makes deploying and managing a LoRaWAN network much easier and more efficient. Milesight is not just a professional manufacturer, we also develop software and platforms to simplify the installation process for our customers. Milesight offers a comprehensive suite of IoT solutions. Firstly, Milesight Development Platform simplifies IoT device deployment, management, and integration. Then, Beaver IoT is an open source platform designed for rapid and intuitive IoT application development. It supports the entire process from device connectivity to data processing, analysis, and visualization. For device central management, please don't miss Milesight DeviceHub. It provides a high efficiency, low maintenance on premises solution to easily device maintenance. Finally, for Milesight industrial cellular router users, MilesightVPN provides a highly secure channel connection that allows users to remotely and securely communicate with devices via authorization codes. What is Milesight Development Platform? It's a middleware integration platform to accelerate application development and project deployment. The purpose of it is to facilitate the integration of Milesight hardware with third-party platforms. Its key features include device management and auto-provisioning, a built-in LoRaWAN network server, open API for standardized integration, and a cloud-based software service. It already works with Milesight Beaver IoT and has docs for building custom solutions. It supports over-the-air updates, pushing new firmware and settings wirelessly. It's ideal for users who need cloud-based management, third-party platform integration, and auto-provisioning. The redirection provisioning service fixes the headaches of manual device setup, like short NFC range, messy LAN networking, and slow processes. With reps, devices get auto-activated, work plug and play instantly, and can be pre-configured remotely. Just power them up, connect to the platform, and let reps handle sending config files or commands. To activate reps on the Milesight development platform, you first decide how you want to enable it. You can create reps records independently for specific devices using the reps module, enable rep service directly when adding a device on the device module, or call the OpenAPI interface in the application module to create reps records. Once activated, just power on your devices, and they'll automatically run with your preset configurations right out of the box. For device management and maintenance, the platform provides centralized view and remote management, offering real-time device status updates, batch or individual operations, and configuration, device sharing and permission control, remote access, and over-the-air task upgrades. Batch operations allow you to add, configure, share, export, and delete devices in batches, streamlining device management processes. Task Center is designed for over-the-air configuration and upgrade task management. It offers a stable mechanism to ensure upgrades by continuously delivering upgrade messages to devices, making sure they receive the task and complete the upgrade. You get real-time notifications on task status, allowing you to monitor the progress of the entire task or each subtask. If any devices fail, you can easily recreate or rerun the tasks. Plus, you have full control over the tasks. For example, if something isn't executed properly, you can stop or restart the whole task or specific subtasks as needed, helping to prevent any risks. The Milesight development platform makes device sharing easy. You can choose to share a specific device, application, or even an entire project with someone, allowing for co-management with different levels of permissions and durations. Additionally, it supports remote access via web and SH for network-enabled devices, making it simple to perform further maintenance from anywhere. The Milesight development platform simplifies over-the-air upgrades, allowing wireless updates without the need for physical connections. This enables remote maintenance and saves time by scheduling tasks. You can select specific firmware and devices for upgrading and view the results in the task center. This approach reduces labor costs and supports a range of devices, including LoRaWAN sensors, gateways, and internet directly connected devices like the PoE version of the People Counter series. Before using the development platform, customers had to perform complex technical operations on LoRaWAN gateways and network servers. After using the development platform, customers no longer need to deal with these complicated tasks. Instead, they can simply add their devices to the development platform. From there, they can use API and webhooks for unified data calls and pushes. This significantly simplifies operations at the hardware level, as all they need to do is add their devices to the open platform. With the Milesight development platform, you can customize and set up your own applications. You can build unique applications, each with its own identity information. To enhance security, you can prevent unauthorized API requests by IP address. Additionally, you'll receive real-time notifications via HTTP webhook, keeping you updated instantly. You can try before you pay for it. Don't have any devices yet? No problem. The demo device is your perfect partner for building a simulated application. You can add various device models to a specific application, like HVAC. The card structure displays device information clearly, making it easy to manage. You can also select and remove devices in batches for convenience. Plus, the product documentation provides detailed API documents to help developers with their programming needs. The Devices debug panel lets you simulate both data uplink and downlink and helps to be familiar with the communication language of Milesight devices even without any real devices. After adding demo or real devices, you can click the debug button to perform operations like reporting data and events in JSON format. This data is simultaneously sent to the webhook address you set up, confirming that your software has successfully received the decoded data. You can also simulate downlink operations, such as sending configurations and services from the platform. You can test the REST default API online debug interface of the platform without third-party applications and authentication, which helps developers to be familiar with API interfaces and complete the debug and deployment. With OpenAPI debugging, once you've connected your API to the platform, your users can call these services anytime and receive real-time feedback. Developers have several API interface options to connect to, supporting remote calls on your own platform. They can perform various operations like adding, deleting, modifying, and querying devices. The API request and result window displays details of each interface call, including the curl command, method, content type, and other parameters. The response section directly outputs the results of the API call, giving you a clear view of the interaction. I know security is top of mind, so here's the scoop on our cloud-based Milesight development platform. We run everything on the Amazon Web Services server. that located in Germany, US, and Singapore, but it's really just middleware that forwards and decodes JSON data. You won't find us hoarding data. Need your info? Pull it anytime via webhook and API. All your traffic is wrapped in TLS encryption, and you can dive into the data security section of our white paper for the nitty-gritty. If you'd rather keep everything in-house or on premises, we've got you covered too. Just prepare an Ubuntu desktop. Download DeviceHub Elms version from Milesight's website, and you're rock solid with no cloud worries. Milesight Development Platform simplifies IoT device deployment, management, and integration by providing practical tools like RESTful APIs works in pre-configuration templates. It allows developers to connect Milesight devices without requiring in-depth knowledge of LoRaWAN or network servers, reducing learning curves and integration time. It lowers technical barriers and accelerates application development so that you can focus on building innovative solutions. Beaver IoT Platform is an open resource IoT platform that provides capabilities to create your unique IoT applications. It's a free-to-use platform, providing on-premise installation or cloud-based software as a service option. This newly released lightweight entry-level application server is ideal for simple use cases, specifically designed for users without an existing application server will require basic functionality, such as replacing Milesight IoT Cloud. Why Beaver IoT? From Milesight point of view, it seamlessly integrates with the Milesight development platform, enabling quick creation of demo solutions and accelerating proof of concept validation. This helps demonstrate the value of your IoT solutions, gaining stakeholder buy-in and speeding up deployment. It also empowers professional partners to develop customized solutions, fostering innovation and cross-industry collaboration. Additionally, Beaver supports the creation of simple applications for product demonstrations and small projects across various industries. From our partners' perspective, Beaver offers a user-friendly platform that simplifies data integration and device functionality. Its lightweight Docker installation ensures quick, cost-effective project deployment across platforms. The modular design supports high scalability, allowing businesses to expand their IoT solutions seamlessly. Additionally, Beaver IoT is fully open source with comprehensive documentation, enabling efficient customization to meet specific business needs. Beaver IoT features customizable dashboards for vivid demos, detailed device information, integration with third-party services, real-world data significance, automated workflows between devices and data, and user management with role assignments. Let's explore them one by one. Its dashboard is user-friendly, offering customizable widgets for clear data visualization, various widget types, and interactive features for seamless command execution and service calls. Beaver IoT displays a complete list of integrated devices, showing entity details like name, ID, type, and data. It also offers customizable demo devices through Milesight development platform integration. Integration is the main solution for Beaver IoT. It uses integration to connect with third-party services, devices, and platforms, enabling device control and expanding functionality. For example, by integrating with the Milesight development platform, you can develop diverse IoT solutions, monitor and adjust your devices, access entities from integrations, and extend the platform's capabilities. Entity framework models real-world objects as structured data units to contextualize device integration data. It supports 3 types, including properties for read and write status like temperature, events for action triggering alerts, and services for invocable commands like reboot, with distinct permissions for real-time interaction and historical tracking. The workflow is a logical process used to define, manage, and automate interactions between devices, data and services. Workflow can connect multiple predefined rules or tasks in series to implement rich and flexible functions, such as threshold alarms and schedule switches. For example, it lets you automate tasks by setting up flexible triggers like timers, manual actions, or entity changes. You can chain actions like sending emails, pushing webhooks, assigning entities, or running custom code, and add logic with even else conditions. Whether it's alerting you when temps hit 35 degrees or automating device services, the system adds to both simple and complex needs with its mix of ready-to-use tools and random customization options. The Users and Roles module in Beaver platform lets admins manage system users by creating, editing, or deleting accounts and assigning roles to control access. It also supports to create roles to assign the different resource permissions to different sub-accounts. The Beaver IoT platform is beneficial for developers as it's open source and free for further development, allowing for custom I/O solutions. Distributors and resellers can showcase product value, collect and analyze data, and meet simple application needs with custom dashboards. End users can easily visualize and interact with data, enhancing their overall experience. The Beaver IoT platform has some exciting plans ahead. First, they aim to integrate mainstream network servers, starting with the Milesight Gateway built-in network server, to enhance compatibility and create a more comprehensive solution. Next, they plan to develop application demos for specific industries like smart buildings and energy management to showcase the value of Milesight products, beginning with smart irrigation in agriculture. Finally, they'll improve and optimize the user interface of the platform's pages to make them clearer and more concise, while also enhancing core functionalities for a better user experience. Now it's turn for DeviceHub and MilesightVPN. The DeviceHub version 2 is an on-premise platform. You can download its software package from Milesight website and install it on your own Ubuntu server for central management of Milesight LoRaWAN gateways and power over Ethernet version of people counters. This upgraded version offers two significant integrated features. The first is the integrated LoRaWAN network server, which allows application management, sensor configuration, data exchange, and decoding. Data can be forwarded to other application servers using MQT and HTTP protocols. Another important feature is device management, which enables automatic configuration file retrieval when the device is online and simplifies remote configuration and updates. It's ideal for users who need basic LANs and centralized device management. The LNS in DeviceHub makes managing Milesight LoRaWAN devices a breeze. It comes with built-in tools to decode and encode device data, 8 ready-to-use device profiles, or you can create your own to fine-tune communication, and lets you group devices into apps that send data to the same place. Basically, it handles the heavy lifting so you don't have to start from scratch. MilesightVPN is designed to create a secure and reliable VPN tunnel for users and remote devices, ensuring safe data transmission. It addresses the issue of lacking public network IPs for routers in mobile cellular networks and allows direct local access to remote devices. The VPN is easy to set up with an intuitive web interface and provides a clear overview of connection statuses. It supports secure access to remote devices and can handle up to 1,000 connected devices. If you need advanced integration, please go with the cloud-based Milesight development platform. For simpler application server needs, start with Beaver IoT, which currently requires cloud service but will support on-premises deployment soon. And for basic device management with LoRaWAN network server, DeviceHub version 2 is your best bet. Thank you for attending our webinar. For the latest updates and news, follow us on social media. We look forward to staying connected.